Hello, I'm Barry from the IBM Sustainability support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run the module analysis tool in version 7.0.2 of Engineering Requirements Management. The module analysis tool, or MAT for short, is used to check a module's structural integrity by analysing the artifacts contained within the module. First, go to the RM admin page. Here, click on Debug, then on the left sidebar, click Modules. To help us narrow down the scope of the analysis, open the drop-down and select the project and local configuration of the module you want to analyze. You can see my project is RM opt-in P1 and my local configuration is RM opt-in P1 initial stream. Select those in the Module Analyzer tool. You will now see the option to list modules or to analyze modules. Never click on Analyze modules unless specifically instructed to do so by IBM support. Doing this will analyze all of the modules in the configuration and will be a resource-intense operation. Instead, click on List Modules. Find your module in the list and click Analyze. This will open the analysis in a new tab. The result will show if the module structure is okay or if it has failed and needs to be repaired. A failed analysis will look something like this. Now, save the web page so you can upload it to the IBM support case. Thank you for joining us to learn about running the module analysis tool in Engineering Requirements Management. If you need more assistance, use the links in the description to access the product documentation.